my channel Python की भाषा. This is the continuation of my previous video, project in binary file part 1. In my previous video, we were discussing about how to create, append and display record in a student.dat file. In this video, I will show you how to search, update and delete record in binary files. Now the first program is how to search the data in the binary file. Whenever you searching, you are go to the beginning of the file. Let's do, if you recall my last video, when you are accepting the roll number, name and percentage. Now you suppose you would like to searching with respect to the roll number. I am taking a variable to accepting the roll number. If the roll number is found, a variable to indicate the record is found or not. So we need to keep on searching for the record from the beginning of the file. Then you put the statement in try and accept end of file block. You keep on searching. If you did not found the reach, then the error will erases the record not found. First, you reload or loaded which is stored in the variable r. That's why I am writing r is equal to pickle.load of you are passing the parameter f. Now you check the roll number, subscript is r of 0. R of 0 is equal to the whatever you receive the roll number from the user, that is A. If you found the roll number, then simply print the roll number. Now found is equal to found plus 1. Now you print this record, then this print found plus 1 indicate that record is found. That record must be read from the beginning of the record, and record by record that you read it. But you did not find the record. When you reach the end of file, you are not finding the record. At that time, the accept end of file error, it will raises. Then give the message record not found. Then whatever you raises the message error, that will display on the screen. Then you close the file. Then you call the search REC functions. First of all, I will write into the file and read that file. Then I search into that file. Let's run and see the programs. Now the same program I have written in the Python IDL. Now compile these programs. Now it is asking that enter the roll number. I am putting the roll number, suppose 001. Student name is suppose Govind. Percentage is suppose 90. Asking that do you want to more records? Yes. That roll number is suppose 002 and student name is suppose Anshu and that percentage is 98 asking more records. Suppose I press no, the two records are displayed. This is reading and writing. The last previous video we are discussing that how to create and display the records. These two functions I am calling in this whenever I am searching. Then it is asking that which roll number you want to search. Now I am putting that roll number is 1. Now it is found that roll number is present in the student.dat file. You see the record is found. Now the record is display on the screen. You see that how it is displayed. Here this is all about how to search the specified field. You can search the records. Now how to update data in the binary files. So first to understand what is update. You pick the first record, then you check whether the record is the which are looking for is that the same roll number. If yes, then you go to the beginning of the file, then you overwrite it. In this concept, when you have the data record by record, when you read one record, the file pointer pointing to the beginning of the next record. If you want to update the previous record, then you send the file pointer to the beginning of the file where you want to update. Already I have discussed the seek and tell functions to transfer the file pointer to the particular locations. Now you are opening that file student.dat file in reading mode, accepting that which roll number you want to update. Now found is equal to 0. You are taking that position, which positions you want to update that records. Now you put the try and accept block, that the record you are putting in an infinite loop the record. If it is found, then file pointer send to the beginning of the file, then you update that file. Now that you are pick up the whole data and show it to the Python object, that is called r is equal to pickle.load functions. That if r of 0 index, the first index equal to your searching index, that you send that f.seek function, you send that position into the beginning of the file. It checks that you are checking that r of 0 index is equal to a, that it checks whether the record matching with the roll number you looking for. Once the data is sent to the beginning of the file, now you are asking that suppose you want to modify the salaries, which locations you want to modify that. Suppose I am putting that r is what? R, all the records you are loading that record in the r, that r of 2 index is equal to salary. That means I am putting whenever I am writing that records only name, employee number, name and salary, that 0 index, 1 index and 2 index, that r of 2 index is equal to salary. Now you dumping that records. If that record is found, now found plus 1 is what? Record is found. In case if you are not found, then record, it will raise the errors, record not found. Now you close that file and call that update record functions. Let's run the program. Now I am compiling this program, the same program I am written, update underscore rec functions. Now I am compiling. It is asking enter the roll number. Suppose I am putting same 001, name, same data I will put in so that you are not confusing. Let's suppose 90. Yes, roll number is 002. That student name is suppose Ansu, and percentage suppose 98. They are asking more records, but suppose you are putting no, same record you are displaying. Now it is asking enter the roll number to be updated. I want to put that roll number, suppose I am putting 2. It is asking enter the modified percentage you want. That suppose I am putting that percentage, suppose 99. Now you see that 99 first is 98, then it replaced to the 99. This is updating the field. You see how that field is updated. Now you see how to delete the records in binary files. So already you know that we are working in a multiple records. The data is copied record by record. Okay. Now you patch one record and check that record is you want to delete that record. In previously I am opening two files, that is student.dat file and temporary.dat file. That now one by one record you load. If the record is matched, then record is copied into the temp.dat file. That is temp.dat file. If that record is not matched, that is stored in student.dat files. If the record is found, then indicate that is called found is equal to found plus 1. If the record not found, then you dump the record in the temp.dat file. That is F1. I am taking that F1 is a temp.dat file. Here those records are not found, that you dump into the temp.dat file till you the records reach to the end of file. Now you remove that record student.dat file, because all the data are in the temp.dat file. Now you rename that file temp.dat into student.dat. Okay, this remove and rename two functions are available in the OS modules, that all the data are whatever data you are not matching in the database, that is copied into the temp.dat file. That's why you are renaming that file into the original file. That's why you are using os.rename files. Let's execute them. Now the same program I have written, that I compiled that program. Now it is asking roll numbers. Again I am putting 001. Name is suppose percentage suppose 90, and more records. Yes, roll number is 002. Name is suppose Ansu. Here percentage is suppose 98. And do you want to more records? Suppose I am putting no. That two records are displayed. Then again asking which roll number you want to delete it. Now suppose I am putting 1. That the one record is displayed, one record is deleted. That only the two record is displayed in student.dat file. Because whenever you search one record by record, that data are stored in the temp.dat file, because the original file is not disturbing. That's so that I am taking a temp.dat file, that all the data are in the copied into the temp.dat file. What the data are matching, not matching, that Again I am renaming that file student.dat stamp to student.dat file. That record is stored in the original file, that is student.dat file. So this is all about the how to search, update and deleting the records. Thank you.